Good afternoon, dear children. Today we are going to take up the activity 7, in which we are going to learn how bricks are made. But before that, I would like to remind you that some work was given in activity 6, but no one has completed it and no one has posted the completed work in the group. So you are requested to complete it. Dear children, when we talk about making of bricks, in that process, certain things are very much needed. The first one is the soil, then water, and the third one is fire. And these things are very much important for making a brick. Without these three things, bricks cannot be made. And all these three things and other processes needs to be followed in a proper sequence. So through this video we are going to study about the process of making a brick. Dear children, have you ever come across this place? You see, the laborers, they are digging the soil and they are losing it to carry it to the other place, so that the soil can be used to make a dough. This is the second step, step B, where you see some people, they are carrying the soil from the pit to the place where they are supposed to mix it with a water and make a dough. This is the third step, step C, where you will see some laborers, they are making the dough by mixing the soil with water, and those doughs, they are kept in the blocks of various shapes and sizes as per the need of the companies or the.
You may get confused with the words dough and the block. So, dough is nothing but what your mother prepares before cooking chapati with water and flour, and block is a wooden block that is used to give a proper shape and size to the brick, and also helps to inscribe the letters on the brick. In the fourth step, that is D, the dough is put into the wooden block. In this picture you will see how that lady is putting the dough in the wooden blocks which has letters inscribed in it. In the fifth step, the raw bricks, they are arranged in rows and they are allowed to dry for few days, so that when they are arranged in a kiln for baking, they should not break down. Later on, those dry and raw bricks, they are arranged in a kiln and they are put on fire, so that they get more harder and tougher to be used for the construction work. This picture will help you to see how the bricks are baked in a kiln and how they become red after baking, and then they are arranged to the place of their transportation or in a safe place from where they can be loaded in the trucks and transported to the required places. In this picture, a lady laborer is carrying the bricks to be transported to the other place by loading in the truck. So, in this way, the bricks are made from the soil using water and by baking them on the fire, and then those bricks are used for the construction works of the buildings and the other uh, places of residence or commercial. So I think you all must have understood all the steps of making bricks, and this question is for you to write in the copy and post the answers in the group. Thank you. That's for today. See you tomorrow in the afternoon.